Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you what you can do when your calling speaker or ear speaker is not working in your device Vivo Y22s. So if you're facing problem with your ear speaker and calling speaker, you can fix it by following the few steps which I'll be telling you in my today's video. But before we start the video, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe or press the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix your ear speaker or calling speaker problem.